morning, everyone. So I apologize for missing my midweek upload. It was a hard time getting over that flu. So this is kind of my late end of the week upload. You know who that is calling me? It's my husband. He asked me to come down to Bayfront Park, which is where I am, to see if... Hang on, let's wait till it's finished ringing. Okay, so he asked me to come down to Bayfront Park to see if the water is water and not ice, because he wants to come fishing. So looks like it is good and he's in luck, and there's just not too many people here, where I'm just walking around and seeing if there is any possibility, if in the middle of the day when it's really, really bright and yeah, if in the middle of the day when it's really, really bright, there are still some picture opportunities to be had. So, let's see. There's a lot here at Bayfront Park. I was walking up to the train yard, and there's a little pathway that takes you up, and this bird stopped in front of me, and I just, of course, had to take about 500 pictures. He was very, very cute. He was posing. I'm on ISO 200, and everything is handheld. It's very, very bright. I don't have any images that I want to do a long exposure of right now. So he was, I think, around f6.7, and it was a very high shutter speed because, like I said, it's very, very bright, and he posed just kind of right on the end of the branch in the most perfect spot for lighting and everything. Yeah, went up to visit the train yard. There's that beautiful, or is it, oh, there it is, the ship mast, and that's at the entrance to the park. And then down this way, there's the bay, and there's a lot of walking trails. I've seen people rollerblading, running, all sorts of things. So it's kind of a beautiful day. It's around 0 right now, and it's sunny and it's not too windy, so it feels really nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna walk around a little bit more, and then I'll probably head home. See ya.